Welcome back to Casual Travelers, the channel where our travels are casual. Our footage is questionable and our mistakes are part of the story. This time we are taking you with us on an island hopping boat tour from Prince John Resort in San Vicente, Palawan. It was sunny, it was salty, it was slightly chaotic and probably one of the best tours of our entire trip.
Good morning. The vlog
morning.
welcomes you again.
Okay, is it on, baby? Because it's clear red.
Wszystko dobrze?
Ja.
Okej. No.
Hi! So
We are in the water.
we're doing the turtle watching here in Port Barton. Pawikan, we saw actually the Pawikan. Like,
It's me called the Pelican.
Yeah.
I haven't because without glasses.
so the Pawikan
It's very
under
deep.
the
So
water. It's so cute. It's just moving slowly and eating.
So, we just finished turtle hunting.
I've seen
Still
nothing.
here. I did saw. It was underneath me, babe. I was like waving at you to look at me, so I was pointing you at the pawikan.
Okay.
Yes. Anyway, so now we're going to this island to have our lunch.
And
The
you-
name of the island is Cagsalay. It's still in San Vicente, here in Port Barton, Palawan. So we're gonna be strolling there, taking pictures and videos, and we are going to take you along with us. See you later.
Mama popływałaś z żółwiami.
Ja popływałem z żółwiami na łódce siedząc.
A teraz żółw wypłynął. Właśnie
Właśnie
pokazywali.
widziałam teraz żółwia. Fajnie to wygląda.
No.
Także też go
A ja znowu
widziałam.
nie widziałem, bo się nie zdążyłem odwrócić.
Aha.
A tam widziałem coś płaskiego na dnie, także myślałem, że to żółw, ale bez okularów to ja widzę na metrze.
No właśnie. Ale teraz pływał sobie. Ale i tak jest fajnie, podoba mi się. Opalała się na łódce. Na łódce.
Those buoys that you can see, they are harvesting pearls. They are actually growing and harvesting pearls when they are fully grown. Yes, that is a pearl farm. That's why the Philippines used to be called the Orient.
The Pearl of the Orient,
Sorry,
yes.
the Orient Pearl.
It's recording.
Another hot morning here in Cagsalay Island. We are going to have lunch here in Cagsalay Island, one of those beautiful islands here in San Vicente, Port Barton, Palawan.
And look at the super calm sea. I'm looking at those beautiful palms. Patrz na te fajne palmy, no.
Mówię, słońce zaszło i ładne zdjęcia by wyszły.
Dobra, robimy zdjęcia. Okej. Now we... Meduza. Całkiem meduza. To jest kaloryka. No to jest ma dużo kolagenu pewnie. Kolagen. Żywy kolagen. Dog is chasing the fish. Yeah. I see. He will catch one in a moment. Wait. Patrz, zaraz łapie rybę.
Nie złapie, po co kiedy wyłapią rybę?
A nie, może głodny jest.
A.
Może to jest pies, co się żywi rybami. Nice doggy. Somebody. So we landed on another spot, and the spot
Watch
to
coral.
watch corals.
Yes. And they said the coral here are colorful and wonderful. Yeah.
And
So we're gonna show you under. So we are in this Starfish Sandbar, where as you can see, this is an amazing sandbar or island which just showed itself in the middle of the ocean. We will show you guys. Okay. Marcin is preparing the drone.
so guys, the previous destination was that snorkeling area with the corals. You will see the beautiful, wonderful those Nemo fish and the other beautiful fishes. So, but I will fly the drone now for you in this sandbar. So over there, guys. Just prepare.
Okay, so I will
Wait,
show
don't
you
step
around.
on it.
Okay, I will show you around, guys, around this starfish sandbar, while my husband Marcin here will prepare the drone. Okay, come, let's go. So here is our boat. Marcin's mom. Oh, nice. Well, here. Hello, my sexy loving husband.
Hello, my sexy loving wife. I just flew the drone. I hope we have a nice shot.
Spoko.
Spoko.
Hi, baby. Kiss, mommy, kiss. Why?
Tak z tyłu moglibyśmy też zrobić.
Dobra.
Się kapia, bo to są fajne zdjęcia.
Do-
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Chodź.
Idę.
Because I like the sky, baby. So the horizon looks awesome.
The horizon!
Yes. Okay, I'll take
Let's
you.
do the horizon! Nowe hobby mamy.
Co?
Nowe hobby mamy. Eksmitowanie krabów z muszelek.
Hello, guys.
So guys, we made it. We made it. Was nice, was fun.
Sure.
And now we will say to you goodbye.
Hope you will enjoy our videos.
Yes, we hope you will enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we, the three amigos, are saying to you goodbye. Broadcasting here from the Philippines.
Tschüss.
Cheers.
Bye.
The, because we are the Power Rangers.
Okay, well.
Because we are the Lords of the Rings. We, the knights who recently said ni but now are saying iki ptang zuboing, will have a lunch.